What's up everyone? Welcome back to day 4 or 5 or 6. I kind of lost count after day 3. But today we're at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
So this is the first of 4 Disney parks that we're going to. We're starting the day off at Animal Kingdom. It's the one that we're most excited for.
And the reason why we're most excited about this park is because it's the most different out of the 4 Disney World parks. Like Magic Kingdom is a smaller version of Disneyland. Epcot is its kind of own thing. Hollywood Studios is like a small park that's kind of like California Adventure. So Animal Kingdom is the most kind of like unique and immersive theme park, so we're looking most to this one. First attraction we're doing is Kilimanjaro Safari. This is one of the best safari rides. They suggest either do this in the morning or at night because that's when the animals are the most active. How'd you like that?
It was really fun. It was like a mini zoo trip.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that too, but now we're more excited about Mount Everest roller coaster. We'll see you guys when we get there. Ooh. So we just finished 2 rides on Expedition Everest and it was a fantastic ride. We got one in the front, one in the back. I like the back better. How about you?
I like the back as well. There was more airtime. More
airtime, more forceful. Overall, it's not like a super long ride. It has a lot of like stops. It goes backwards, forwards, and all that. But overall, it immerses you into the story, and we really appreciate that. Now we're headed to one of the least favorite parts of this park called Dinoland USA. A lot of people don't like it. I heard they're trying to break it down and make it into a different land. But we'll see where all the hate comes from. But yeah, but they have one fantastic dinosaur ride. She's in for a treat. Fantastic. Yay, we made it out alive and well.
I like the ride.
Yeah? It wasn't scary for you?
It wasn't scary, but yeah, I definitely think dinosaur fanatics
will love it.
Like it.
Yeah. So I wasn't scared at all either, but if you were scared, I heard from a friend that if you squint your eyes and then kind of like close your eyes, it's not as scary. So my friend told me, not me. Next up, we got It's Tough to Be a Bug. She's gonna love it. Hey. Did you like it? That was cute. Alright, so did another ride on Everest and now we're headed to Lion King show. I think it's a musical, I don't know, but I heard good things, so I'm looking forward to that.
Welcome! We have been expecting you.
so we just finished the Lion King show, and let me just say, wow, what a fantastic production. A lot of like trampoline, a lot of singing, great singers, a lot of dancing. It was a celebration, and I think it was one of the best like shows, like live action shows I ever watched. And you should definitely check it out when you get here to Disney's Animal Kingdom. And now we're headed to Disney Springs to grab some lunch and cool down. Typical Florida. Rain over here, sunshine over there. Rain over here, sunshine, rain, sunshine, rain, sunshine. Alright, so we just had lunch and we did a little shopping. Now we're headed back to Disney's Animal Kingdom. Made it back inside. I don't know if you can tell, but it was raining for the last 2.5 hours. So I see a lot of people leaving, a lot of people already have left. And the thing that we have left to do is just the Avatar Land, which I'm looking really forward to. Oh my gosh, I am blown away by this land. I can't wait till it gets dark and all the bioluminescent like creatures and plants come out. It's gonna be great. First ride is Navi's River Journey. Finally, let's go. Okay, so we just finished River Journey. We waited way too long for that ride, but still it was a beautiful ride. It had good lighting effects and decorations. It really made you feel like you're in the world of Avatar. And this whole land's making me feel like that. So I'm super impressed overall. So for our final ride, it's the Flight of Passage. And a lot of people think that this is the best ride in the park. We think it's still Everest, but maybe after this ride it might change.
We just finished Avatar ride. What did you think?
So before we wrote this, I was asking them, or I was telling them that people think this is the best ride in the land. And I was saying like, it might still be, you know, Everest after that, but dude, that ride was so good.
It was so good. Oh my gosh. The best ride here, honestly.
Alright, so we're leaving Animal Kingdom, and overall it was such an amazing day. We got to do a lot of the main attractions here. We even had time to go to Disney Springs to have lunch and shop a little bit. Yes, first day of Disney went really great. We did everything we set out to do. And I can't wait for tomorrow.
I was just telling Jun how I wasn't too impressed, but I think Avatar was the best way to end this trip, or end today's trip.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Bye. Peace.